welcome. We quite like to appreciate you for putting up a very hard fight to get to the top, but we quite understand that not everybody can win. But trust me, you are a champion because you're here. All right, so tell us about you.
Yes, first of all, my name is Mama Sunday.
Mama Sunday.
You can call me ATTRACTIC NWA MAMAH from Enugu State.
ATTRACTIC NWA MAMAH. What does that mean, NWA MAMAH? I know there is this movie that we watch, NWA MAMAH, lyrical NWA MAMAH or something. But why do you attach that to your name?
My dad is Mama.
Okay.
So I'm son of Mama.
Okay, you're son of Mama.
Mama.
All right, ATTRACTIC. How did you feel when you could not get to the top of the contest?
It's so bad, but it's not everybody that will. That's what encourages me.
All right, so what kind of music do you
Afro music.
ATTRACTIC. And you've come thus far with elegance. Where do you see yourself in the next few years? Where do you think elegance can take you to?
I think elegant can take me to become a superstar. I always respect God grants me my heart desire to become a superstar.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have ATTRACTIC right here. ATTRACTIC, your viewers are out there, your fans are out there, they want to listen to you talk to them. Would you like to say something to them?
Yes, to my viewers all over the world, I'd like to appreciate you for supporting me. It's not easy. Most of you think that this elegant empire is a scam, but it's not a scam. I want all of you to keep on encouraging the young stars that are coming out from elegant empire.
Thank you very much, ATTRACTIC, for coming around. We appreciate you.